Hello, I'm Mr. Smith and this is Learn to Code. In this video we're going to learn how to use an if statement. To make your programs more interesting, we can use a construct of programming called selection. Selection allows your program to branch one way or another. It uses an if statement to make a decision and then the program follows one path or another. Let's have a look at the mini maths quiz program to see how it works. Run the program. What is 4 plus 5? 9. Press enter. Well done. That's right. Let's run it again. What is 7 plus 5? That's 12. Well done. That's right. See how good I am at maths. Now what happens if I get it wrong? Oh dear. Alright, well we are going to fix that very shortly. But let's first of all just run it one more time. 1 plus 1. Oh, nicely done. Well done. That's right. Okay, so before I reveal what the code actually is, can you imagine what it might look like? Pause the video, have a think, and then unpause the video. When you're ready, we'll look at the solution. Okay, you're back. Alright, let's reveal the code. There we go. So on good old line 4, why line 4? I don't know. Just on line 4. We've imported our random options. Now I have assigned a variable called score to 0. There's a score in this. It doesn't do anything really at the moment. And then we have our 2 lines which generate our random numbers. Now we're generating 2 random integers between 1 and 10, inclusive of 1 and 10, and assign them first number and second number. Then we've created a variable called total, and we've assigned that to the value of the first number plus the second number. Then we've printed a string. What is place value plus place value? And then our place values in the correct order are first number and second number. So what is whatever the first random number generated plus the second generated random number. Then we ask for the user to answer the question. So we are asking for input and we are converting our input here into an integer. That way the computer can compare. It can only compare the same data types. And we're saving that input as user answer. Now, here's our if statement. This is what we're here to learn. If the user answer, so whatever they input here, is equal to the total, which is the first number plus the second number, we're going to say, well done, that's right. And we're adding a point to the score. Oh, that was showing the score right now. Alright, so at this point, what I want you to do is write your own version of the maths quiz. You must have 5 questions, and you could use multiply and subtraction. Just be a little bit careful when you use subtraction unless you want to use negative numbers. So you can, when you write out the question, change the range of the numbers that are being generated. Okay, give it a go.